Welcome to Goodwill Wealth Management. In this presentation, we will discuss about day trading in index option only as a option buyer. So, in recent days, since the regulations does not allow brokers to provide leverage margin exposures, many want to do option trading, and also during these lockdown periods, many traders they want to try options market, since option buying does not involve a huge margin. But as a buyer, you know that you are going to stand against the time decay. So, but that does not give you a huge impact when you do day trading. But still, it can play a certain role there. But here, what we are going to discuss is with few technical indicators. We will discuss about a simple rule-based trading using the help of few technical indicators. Of course, you need technical indicators to do this trading activity. And you need not follow any cash spot futures price. If you are trading in index options, uh, while following this method, maybe you can skip following this spot price futures price, because see, the confusion for beginners is you need to follow or analyze the future, and then you need to analyze this options market separately. Of course, you can do that. It needs some level of experience. If you are a trader who don't want to spend much time on all these activities, a huge prior knowledge is not required. You want to do something safer and which should be a profit maximizer. I think what we are going to discuss is going to help you. There is some marketing stuffs also here, but things does not come free. All we expect you is to have a charting platform which supports the indicator what we are going to discuss. We will be discussing three indicators, and I believe that most of the charting platforms will support that. See, a charting platform is the infrastructure for day trading. So a dedicated charting platform is necessary, and most of the traders they use charting platform. I believe that what we are going to discuss will support this. And you should have a trading account with Goodwill. It is a win-win situation. We provide you knowledge, we teach you how to trade. All you need to do is open a trading account with a Goodwill, and we are offering you a low brokerage, nearly rupees 7 per transaction per execution, which is very low compared to the industry. And we will provide you constant webinar support. We have a multilingual customer support also. So you can give missed call to 937 927, so that they will assist you for account opening. And you can contact our customer support. If you are an existing customer, even for reactivation, you can give a missed call to 937 927 in any language. People will pick the call. You can tell them your preferred language. They will guide you and they will help you. If you have more doubts through webinars, we will try to sort out all these doubts, and I believe that this will be an ongoing process. Whomever is going to open account with us, sure, we will continue this training process. So let us jump into our trading platform. So see, I'll be, for this discussion I'll be using a different trading platform. It does not matter if you have whatever trading platforms you use. What you need is the indicators what we are going to say. So once you open an account, and then we will discuss about the indicators names and everything. So I am going to show you how this indicator works. If you believe that this can work for you, then please give a missed call and contact our customer support. Now what you are seeing is the option chain for Nifty index. So for applying this strategy, since you are going to be the buyer of option, what you need to do or think is, at least you should have a 20 days expiring period. You need some time. You cannot, as you all know that you have weekly options in Nifty index. So what you need to do is you should go to the contract, you should select a particular contract, at least it has some 20 days for expiry. So it is advisable that you go to the last monthly contract. It's quite simple. You can straight away go to the monthly contract. If the monthly contract is going to expire, then move to the next second week contract. So you can rotate the contracts. So you should have in mind that always trade in a particular contract which has at least 20 days for expiry. So for this example, what I have selected is the today is the 3rd of May, and this contract is going to expire on 27th May. So I have selected the monthly contract, and for this I will take 14600 strike. Okay, but whenever you start trading, the selection of strike price, it is not a rocket science. You see the index price, whichever is closer to the index price, select some major strike price. Maybe the at the money option or very near to the money option may work. And for this, what you need to do is you need to have a platform which provides charting for these premium values. See, here if I right click and I open a chart, it opens a chart for this particular premium value. See, a chart is available for any price, maybe for index cash, index futures, and even for every strike price you have a chart. So for this I had taken 14600 as the example, and maybe on both the call side and the put side. Now let us see where the market is trading. It's trading near 14, maybe near the same zone, 14600. So what we have, what we are going to do is we have selected the near almost the at the money option for this example. So once I've opened this chart, this is the chart, premium chart for 14600 call option. And see, if I decrease the scale, you know that, so that is the reason we have asked you to go for some 20 days expiry, because we need some price actions that had happened. We need some data for the price actions what had happened earlier, so that the indicators works beautifully. And here you see, simply see, even without seeing the index price, what price the index is trading, straight away you can start trading in the options using the premium chart. And if it is a chart and if it has a data, then it means that it should follow certain technicals. Basically it will have a critical support and resistance. Most of the traders, they don't see the support and resistance for the premium value. So here, after opening an account, we will teach you how to see the support and resistance for the premium options. Premium also, it is very important to place your stops or to take an entry or exit. So this involves very simply 3 averages. Okay, so this involves 3 averages, and I'm not going to tell you that what is the type of average and what is the period which we have selected, but I can tell you that I have taken a weighted moving average and 2 volume weighted moving average. See, the white lines are volume weighted moving average, and the yellow line is the weighted moving average. For picking up certain entries, I believe that we need to involve this volume, so it will play a critical role in deciding where to exit. So it's very simple. When the price is above this yellow line, which is the moving average, weighted moving average, see, the market goes for buying. So if you want to re-enter, you can re-enter when the price is see, I'm going to increase this scale. So if you want to re-enter, you need to re-enter when the price is touching or entering within this 2 channels. See, we have modified this average to form a type of channel. So it is not basically a channel, it is it's just a 2 moving average. So once it re-enters, you can go for a buy. The buy holds good. what you need to do for index, you can have a 50-point target and 50-point stop. Whenever you enter, you can have a 50-point stop and you can have a 50-point target. This is a profit maximizer. You could see you can float this for the next day also if you believe that you have funds in your account. But nowadays, since brokers are not providing exposures or leverage, as an option buyer, what you have bought, that is a maximum price. So you can hold your position for the next day also if you want to maximize your profit. And once the market picks up, it goes off. And here also I want to show you one example. If you have missed any entry points, wait for the price to enter within this range and then go for buying. So that works. But it may not work certain time when the price opens with a huge gaps. So what you need to do is, sometimes it does not work all the time. See, if there is an indicator which works every time, everybody will be making profit. That is the reason we will teach you about supports and resistance. So it is very critical to understand support and resistance for option premium, which we will teach you. And here in this example, you could see the price opened with a gap down below this yellow line, so the market turned to selling. Even then, the price entered into this channel what we have created, and then it had continued. So what happened today, you can see on 3rd, it again opened with a very big gap, but the market bounced back into this channel, and again it's now trading within this line. This even for a gap down opening like this, what you need to do, few people get confused where to enter into this area. This channel gives you a clear picture. Wait patiently, wait for the price to enter into this channel, and then go for your positions. Maybe since we are a buyer, this is a call option chart premium, we will be only going for buying. We are not going to sell anything. If you have any idea for selling, what you need to do is, I'm going to show you this is the put option premium chart for the same 14600 strike. Yeah, for you see that when it is selling in call option, it's going to be buying in the put. You need to go for buy. See how exactly this had guided us. On 30th, you could see on 30th, this gives you a very clear indication. On 30th, you see that the price in the call option had come down. This gives you an indication, very clear indication, that the put is going to increase. So comparing these two charts on 30th, this is the 30th. See, the price is always trading above this average, which gives you a very clear breakout, and the price started moving up. So today also it opened with a gap. See, once it opens with a gap, if you don't have any entry point where you should re-enter, don't re-enter anywhere. Okay, just wait patiently for the price to enter into the zone, then you re-enter. You will get the exact entry point, and 50-point stop is very much sufficient. And if you are going to apply this for an out of money option, since that is not advisable, you need to at least try for at the money option. You can try the at the money options. Even if you are going for in the money options, what you will pay more premium. That is the only thing. But in the money options moves bit fast than the, but at the money option is okay. So you can select at the money option strike, and you can do this same thing for bank nifty also. But the only point in bank nifty is you get few strikes which has liquidity. So nifty is quite good for this, so you can easily follow this strategy. Right after that, we will provide you the setup. We will guide you for everything what you need to do. You can backtest it. It is not mandatory that after opening a trading account, right after that you should put a fund and start trading. So we will start guiding you once you open an account and once you fund that account. And there are so many paper trading platforms you can do paper trading using these setups, and once you're comfortable, then you can start trading. All these things you can play off. It does not require analyzing the Nifty index futures also, but of course we are providing daily updates on Nifty index futures, how the market is going to behave before the market opening. Pre-open analysis we are providing every day. So that gives you certain idea, but that analysis does not depends on this rule based platform. So many people are trying to do options buying, so we think that this type of setup can help you for beginners and even for traders who are struggling to make money as a buyer of option. You can even see this is a profit maximizer. I told you, no, once the price moves below this average, once you get the point, and you as a buyer you make huge. Since I'm showing this in the put option, but since we are going to be a buyer, I can show this in the call option also. This is the call option. Once the price clears the average, and once you pick it, and you can run it. See, given the volatility of Nifty in the recent days, I think there is a lot of chance where you can make profit. So what all you need to do is give a missed call to our missed call number 937 927, and we will continue this process. We will guide you. Try to open trading account with Goodwill. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.